Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the distance between the points x comma minus 1 and 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 2 is 5, then the value of x is. We know the distance between any two points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given as under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So we are given that this distance is 5 units and we are asked value of x. So we'll simply put the values here. x1 is x and x2 is 3. So x minus 3 whole square plus y1 is minus 1 and y2 is 2. So minus 2 whole square. So that gives us x minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 minus 3 square is 9. Now we'll square both sides in order to remove the square root. So 5 square is 25 equal to under root of under root is gone. So let's remove that. So that is x minus 3 whole square plus 9. So let's take this 9 over to this side. We get x minus 3 whole square equal to 25 minus 9. So we get x minus 3 whole square equal to 16. Now we can take square root on both sides. Instead of solving that x minus 3 whole square using identity, we can simply take square on both sides, square root on both sides as to avoid solving that. So let's do that. By taking square root, we get both positive. Okay, x minus 3 is equal to plus minus 4. So we get, in case of positive, we get x positive 4, we get x equal to 4 plus 3, so we get x equal to 7. And in case of negative 4, we get x equal to minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1. So we get two values of x coordinate, which is 7 and minus 1. So let's see what are the options. हाँ, 7 or minus 1. 7 or minus 1. Yes, answer is option D, 7 or minus 1.